Hi there, I hope you're all doing well. I'm back with another walker from Zombicide Undead or Alive. She was black and white Zenithal Prime, so I get started with Wolf Grey from Tooth & Coats for her dress. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. You can also join Discord using the link in the description, where you can share anything you have been working on. As with the other walker, the skin gets a base coat with dead flesh to place the walkers somewhere between the skin tones of the brutes and the runners. For her underdress, I use Skeleton Legion, just to add a little bit of warmth to what's going to be a fairly cold mini. Next up, her corset, bonnet and boots get a once over with Carcharodon grey. Moving on to the highlights, I get started with Gravestone blue for all of the tops of the folds on her dress. The highlight for all of the grey is done with warm grey, just for the edges and the folds. As with all my Zombicide minis, the base gets a once over with Plague Brown. Next up, I highlight the skin with Ivory Tusk. For the wash, I went for Battle Mud Wash from Tooth & Coats over the entire mini. Finishing the base, I paint on Sandy Desert texture paste. Zombies aren't really zombies without some blood, so I splat on some Vampire Thirst. And that will be it for the Walker. Quick, simple, and most importantly, it's easiest to replicate 20 more times. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. You can also join Discord using the link in the description, where you can share anything you have been working on. As always, there'll be photos of this mini on my Instagram page. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed, and most importantly, be kind to each other.